Good morning, guys, and welcome again to the SS7 Trader Team channel. Today's video, again, I'm going to talk about the VIP signals, and I thought everyone watched inside the channel watched the previous video about the VIP, but I thought about doing this video again in order just to close up every single detail for the service. So, guys, we here in trading, we all know as a newbie or as a new trader, if we are trading and we have no idea what we are doing, we will lose our money. That's why, again, I recommend you that you must have a mentor or you must have someone who can lead you in the trading business. So here in the SS7 Trader Team channel, we have a service called the VIP Signals. What is the VIP Signals? The VIP Signals is a service that will send you around 30 signals plus per day, and that's in around the UK session, the London session. Why in the London session? We seek forward just to have a good volume, a good market, in order for us to trade a proper signal. So inside the VIP signals, guys, the service is around $50 per month. You will get 30 signals plus per day. But here in this video, guys, I will say the same thing I said before, that each person trading, it's either the VIP signals or not the VIP signals, we should have a proper money management plan while we are trading. Let me tell you why. If you have, let's say 90% strategy, okay, and you do not have a proper money management plan, let's say out of the 90% winning ratio, out of 10 trades you will have one trade and loss. What if in one trade you put around 50% of your account? And trust me, there are people who does that. So once you put these 50% of your account in this particular trade and you lost, typically speaking, you lost half of your capital. So again, the proper money management plan is the most important thing in trading VIP signals or in trading any strategy. Here in this video, I'm going to share with you the proper money management that I do, what I do in my trading, okay? Let's say I wake up at 7 or 8 a.m. GMT at the London opening and I start trading. My stack will not exceed the 3% of my capital. It will not exceed. If it's either an ITM, if it's either an OTM, I will not exceed the 3% of my capital as a stack trade. So once I've been trading inside the VIP signals, once I have 3 ITMs or 4 ITMs, I just quit. Just quit the market, guys. This is your earning for the day. Once you have 3 ITMs, just leave the market. Plus, on the other hand, if you have 3 OTMs in a row, just also quit the market. It's not your day. I know I'm repeating the same words that I did inside the car while I'm doing the selfie video, but I'm re-saying this because it's really an important aspect in trading. Okay? So once you have 3 ITMs, exit the market. 3 OTMs, exit the market and come again. When I trade the VIP signals, I have a proper money management plan for a goal. I seek around, let's say, 7 to 10% daily, and which this is really good. If I have $1,000 in my account, I'm doing $100 per day, which is more than enough to bring the meat on the table. Okay, so how do we trade it? You know, inside the Telegram we have a group named the VIP Signals. Inside this group, you will receive the signals. Once the signals is made, first of all, just an advice to you guys: when you want to trade the VIP signals, you should open 2 windows. The first window, the Telegram channel, where you are receiving the signals, and the next one is the IQ options. Once you have the signals, you initiate the trade on your broker, on your IQ option broker, and mainly that's it. Guys, the VIP signals will give you around 80 to 85% winning ratio. This is top of the notch. You know, guys. So what I want you to do is when you trade the VIP signals is to have the proper money management plan for that. And I wanted to show you really an interesting thing. Okay, in the SS7 team, we are not trading silly indicators like CCI and RSI and blah blah blah. No, no, no. It's not the way we trade. I opened the MT5 here just to show you the way we are trading and to show you the lines and show you the SNRs that we have in order for you to have a proper analysis of how we are giving the signals. On the Euro USD, if we go to the M5 and zoom out of the charts, you will see a lot of lines. These lines are the conclusion of the SNRs since 20 years. Again, 20 years. I want to go to the monthly chart. Look at this. Look at this. These are all the lines that we have. Why is that? In order just to give you a proper analysis that our signals is not just a signal that anyone can give you. We promise you with 80 to 85% winning ratio. Why? Because our signals are based on price action movement, not on CCI stupid Bollinger Bands and stuff. No, this is a newbie fact in order to trade the CCI and the RSI and blah blah blah. What we trade is price action strategies following a 20 years analysis of the SNRs and the price action movement. This is why I came up with this video in order for me to tell you when you are trading the VIP signals, you are trading in a proper pro way of trading style. Once you do that, you will be in profit. Okay? So when our traders will give you the signals, they are not giving you the signals out of nowhere. We are giving you the signals of a proper analysis of the market since the 20 years back. And that's a really hard work. Okay? So again, the main thing of this video, the main aspect of this video is the VIP signals and how we are trading it. Proper money management plan, 3 ITMs get out of the market, 3 OTMs get out of the market. The stack should not exceed 3% of our capital. This is the main thing that I want to brief out this video in. Okay? Again, I want to lead the new members who are struggling out. How much is it? How much is it going to cost me? It's going to cost you only 50 bucks. 50 bucks a month. So if you put out, let's say, you have a $200 account and you want to do, let's say, 3% of your account, that's around $6. So if you did only one ITM only for 25 days, okay? So 25 times 5, 25 times 6 or $7, that's more than a winning ratio. So, that's more than the subscription fees that you paid, which is the $50. So again, what I want you to do when you follow the VIP signals, have a proper money management plan and join us as soon as possible and don't miss the opportunity. Adios, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.